Ki khubor ka Batesi TV
ka umdi basnyam bat penjasliang Rupa Premium Meghalaya. Bo, a specially designed machine that is stronger, faster, more powerful and fuel efficient. Contact Orange Automobile at 977-400-3555 or 961-584-7757.
Uminti Sorkar jala Marcos and Marak hak khalai trik rumpang arja absan. Ul ang mag Sorkar jala kam Pynshlur Satia yak Jingtih Dewïong Be-Aiñ bat ki we kam Be-Aiñ hapok jala. Haba kran chikala pathai khubor Marcos lo ong shushu. Lada don ki be I yakini kam Be-Aiñ. Dewan Jingtih shak Sorkar khnang bak Sorkar kan le yakabaran kam kat kum ka aiñ. Marcos lo pan pau yakini ka Jingtih halo ki Jingtih jing seng leng persha haba krow yak interim report Brang Shen Balapan, Justice retired BP Kataki.
Why would state will work in collaboration with those illegal things? Do you think that the state government can promote those illegal things? No, nothing. Our government, especially the MDO government, is very transparent, and you must have seen Mr. Conrad Sangma's, our Honorable Chief Minister's initiatives. The way he is leading our state is to be seen by yourself only. So therefore, there's no such things happening. And anybody who sees it, if it is a fact, then you bring it to the knowledge of the government. We are there to sort it out, and we are there to stop. There's no such this thing happening in the ground. If there is, then there are systems to catch all of those things. And for that matter, I think some of the businessmen have already replied, and then it has gone to the district administrations there. I think there is no such illegal mining in West Garo Hills, South Garo Hills. No such mining.
So, but that's Kataki committee, after doing a lot of research and after a lot of investigation, they confirm.
Well, I don't know about that, but then so far, those are in, actively involved in the mining are all settled in Williamnagar town and some other towns also. We can see them. They're all the time in the town areas and doing nothing. And they're also waiting for the licenses to be, granted for the scientific mining. So I think there might be some misconception or some other wrong informations maybe, but I don't know exactly what happened. But in my opinion, there's no such illegal thing.